This thing here is supposed to last 3 years. Today is Thursday, February the 4th, 2021. I'm gonna open this thing up. Let's power it on. Okay, there it is. I'm gonna make sure I have it plugged in. This is my work computer here. I'm replacing it with this here, with my old wired mouse. All right. There we go. It's working right away. What's today's date? Okay, y'all, so it's October the 16th. So I've been using this mouse heavily. The type of work I do, I'm doing a lot of clicking. I use the mouse more than I use the keyboard because I'm kind of just clicking and changing things here and there. So I'm using this like a crazy amount. I noticed this red light on October 12th, 2023. So this light is pretty much an indicator that your battery is low. Not necessarily that you need to change it, but it's letting you know that it's getting there. If I turned this off and left it off for a while and used it, it'll last me like a good while, like a couple hours. The longer I keep it off, the longer it'll work. So if I used it and it died on me, hopefully I can show you guys on camera, but if I used it and it died on me and I turn it off and try to turn it right back on, it'll only last me like less than a minute. It's on right now. Not getting any movement. I'm gonna turn it off, turn it back on, and you'll see what I mean. I've been trying to catch this on camera for a while, y'all. It's still going. Like you saw it. Okay, there we go. Now it went off. So it's weird. It's almost like it's recharging itself when you switch it off and don't use it. It's weird. It's just like the longer you leave it off, the longer it'll work. I don't believe I'll be able to use this till like the last drop where it completely dies, because the way it's doing this, it seems like it'll just keep going on and off, going on and off, and it'll never stop. So besides just wasting you guys' time and doing all that, I recommend just go ahead and switching out the batteries. But speaking about the batteries, these batteries that it comes with does look kind of confusing. And something I want to point out real quick to let you know what I'm gonna show you first. You see that? It's using one battery. So this mouse does work on one battery. I don't recommend using one battery, of course, but this is just to show you that it uses so little power, and I think that's the trick of how it lasts so long. But I say these batteries are confusing at first because it looks kind of foreign, but you can see it does list that it's just a regular alkaline battery. I got these cheap Walmart alkaline batteries here that I'm gonna put in my mouse. There is two features I love on this mouse that I really couldn't, like, it helps me in my actual job. So it's the quick stroll. So right there, that's how normal mouses, or I guess older mouses, used to stroll, but you have like this turbo type stroll. If you click that, it'll just smoothly glide, so it doesn't stop until you put your finger on it. So this helps me a lot when getting to the bottom or the top of a page on the website. And this option here is basically like a backspace. So besides trying to put the mouse all the way to the top left-hand corner, you can just tap this a couple times and it goes to the previous web page. Before this, I just bought the regular wireless mouse, and I found myself, I think the batteries lasted like a month or a couple weeks, but I just found myself keep replacing batteries. So I was like, it has to be something better. This is it, y'all. So if you got a regular wireless mouse, go ahead and pay the $30, $40 and get one of these. If you want to update, say if you watch this video in the future, feel free to leave me a comment and I'll give you an update. I can even do like a video update. Now YouTube has that feature to leave you video clips in the comments or as a comment. But besides that, that's all I got for you. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.